equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Lenovo Yoga 920 motherboard. Today, we'll cover everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process of disassembly and repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening the device and preventing any static damage. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 920 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the device. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, let's locate the motherboard. It's usually situated in the center of the device. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a photo of the internal layout. This will help you remember where everything goes during reassembly. Next, disconnect the battery. This is a crucial step to ensure safety while working on the motherboard. Locate the battery connector and gently pull it away from the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek expert help. With the battery disconnected, you can now start removing the screws that secure the motherboard. These are often a mix of Phillips and Torx screws, so make sure you have the right tools on hand. Carefully lift the motherboard out of the chassis, taking care not to damage any attached components. Once the motherboard is free, inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you identify any issues, you may need to use a soldering iron to repair broken connections. Ensure you have a steady hand and the right soldering tools for this task. After making the necessary repairs, it's time to clean the motherboard. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. This will help improve the performance and longevity of your device. Now, let's reassemble the laptop. Place the motherboard back into its original position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery and ensure all connectors are firmly in place. Before closing the back cover, it's wise to test the device. Power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. If all is well, carefully replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired the Lenovo Yoga 920 motherboard. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Thank you for following along, and happy repairing. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.